White signal by the umpire there. Harun getting off there with a white. Again, white signal by the umpire there. Skipper Ramu is missing his line there. White signal by the umpire again, back to back. White deliveries by the skipper Ramu there. Two good batsmen in the crease there, Salman and Harun. A good touch there, but no run taken by the batsman there. Score is 5 runs for fall of 1 wicket.
Copyright agbidutte.
To bowl over number 2 is Khizr. Swing king will bowl to Salman. Salman will face Khizr.
Innings break alla.
A good cheeky shot played by Salman in the square leg region, 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by 2 batsmen there. Khizr to ball to Salman again. Switch hit, totally beaten is Salman. Good bowling by Khizr there, not letting Salman free his arms towards offside region. Dot delivery again by Khizr to Salman. Khizr to Salman again. A run-out opportunity missed by Molla. Good running between the wickets by Harun and Salman. Both are really quick between the wickets. They hit the ball. They never miss the opportunity for grabbing a single for the team there. Khizr having some field placement there. Harun to face Khizr. Can Harun deliver a big shot in this over? Played down the ground. Harun happy with a single there. Brings back Salman on strike. Will face Khizr again. Khizr having some field placement. Salman to face Khizr again. Completion of over. Score moves on to 9 runs. For the fall of 1 wicket. From Team Zoe Lions, Arbas to start the proceedings will face is Harun.
Find hundreds of stores. But if we want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold?
No.
Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems. If you want to buy...
Harun to face Arbas. Can Harun deliver some big shots in this over? When he keeps going, even he can. Arbas to Harun. Let's see what. A run-out opportunity there. Good running between the wickets by Harun there. This guy is really good. And white signal by the umpire there. Brings back Salman on strike. A dot ball by Arbas, completely beaten is Salman. Again a dot ball by Arbas. Good bowling by Arbas there, not letting Salman free his arm. He is not bowling the ball in his arc. Back to back dot deliveries, straight back pressure on the batsman Salman there. Inside edge and clean ball. Salman has to walk back. Good bowling there by Arbas. Cleans up a very, very big fish again, Salman. New batsman walking in center is Salman.
Salman L Dawala, left-handed. LH Dawala. Salman LH, left-hand.
Brilliant bowling by Arbas there, picking up a big wicket of Salman. Replacing him is another Salman, who is a left-handed batsman. Will face Arbas. Let's see what's this left-handed Salman got in reply. White call by the umpire there. Arbas missing his line there. A good shot played in the gap. 2 runs taken by the batsman there. Arbas to bowl to Salman again. In the air. Fielders are coming under the ball. Easy catch taken there by the fielder. Ajaz. Salman has to walk back. Walking in center is the new batsman, the skipper himself, DJ Wasim.
DJ Wasim.
Harun back on strike. He's looked too cool and calm in this innings. A good touch there by Harun, completed a single. After the completion of 3 overs, the score is 15 runs for the fall of 3 wickets.
You find hundreds of stores. But if you want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems. If you want to buy
To
jewelry,
bowl the 4th over, the skipper of Zoe Lions, Ammu, will bowl to Harun.
you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online.
Ammu to bowl to Harun. In the air. Miscommunication of fielders, there is a drop catch. Brings the skipper DJ Wasim on strike. Ammu to bowl to Wasim. A misfield there by Maula. Batsman is happy to complete a single run. Brings Harun back on strike. Will face Ammu. A delicate touch in the square leg region there by Harun. Skipper happy with a single there. Swing and a miss by the skipper Wasim there. Last ball of this over. Wasim to face Ammu. Good fielding there by Maula. Completion of over.
18 for 3.
After completion of 4 overs, the score is 18 for the fall of 3 wickets. B2PL Season 5, organized by Uzair Shweb, Firdos and Friends. Title sponsors Fivo and Lenco. Associate sponsors Sri Star Gold Company. And grooming sponsor Salon Guru. This tournament is live on YouTube on Y Sports. Catch every live updates match to match on YouTube on Y Sports. To bowl the over is Aslu. Will bowl to Harun. As I told you, so far so good. Harun is looked cool and calm, composed, rotating the strike, not throwing his wicket. Aslu to Harun. Trying to play a sweep shot, a dot delivery. Good shot, but 2-1 signal by the umpire. Runs. Aslu to Harun again. Good shot by Harun there. 6-1 scored. I told you this boy has got good talent. So far he's cool and composed, striking the ball in the right areas. Good sweep shot by Muhammad Harun there, putting the pressure on Aslu there. Calling for two. 3 runs. Good running between the wickets there by Harun. A floppy fielding by Zoe Lyons there. White signal by the umpire there. Aslu to Wasim. Ball is in the air. Drop catch there. Two drop catches there by Zoe Lyons, fielders there. Last ball coming up in this over. Dot delivery, completion of over. After the completion of 5 overs, the score is 32 for the fall of 3 wickets. इकबाल पूरे वन से उठ जाओ, बैठना नहीं वहां कौन भी, पूरे उठ जाओ वहां से, कौन भी बैठना नहीं, पूरा वहां से ये जरूरत खाली करा लो। हाँ बैठना नहीं, उठिया वहां से। Request the umpires to start the match. We are running out of time. वहाँ बैठने का नहीं, कैमरा ये होता था। हट जाओ, यहाँ जाओ, स्टेज में बैठो, यहाँ बैठो। 32. बैठो, आराम से बैठो, क्या है? To bowl the over from the team Zoe Lyons is Arbaz. Request the umpires to start the match. Harun to face Arbaz. The last over, Harun played a really good shot for 6 runs. Let's see what he's got now. Harun tried to go downtown, but completely beaten. Good ball by Arbaz there. Gives a dot delivery for the team Zoe Lyons. Straight down the ground. Single picked up by Harun there. Brings Wasim back on strike. Will face Arbaz. This match is live on YouTube. Please subscribe the channel for the live update. Run out opportunity again missed. Harun back on strike, will face Arbaz again. Tried to play a sweep shot again. Totally beaten is Harun. Good bowling there by Arbaz. Dot delivery. White call by the umpire there. Arbaz to Harun again. A dot delivery again. Good bowling by Arbaz. Back to back dot deliveries. Skipper Wasim having a chat with Harun there. Straight down the ground. Good shot by Harun there in the covers region. 4-1 signal by the umpire there.
He is the PT master from Bangalore University. PUC. 5.4.
Score is 39.
Dr. Sai, what is it? Arshad Pasha.
To bowl over number 6 is Khizar, who will bowl to Wasim. Some field placement done by Khizar there. On strike is Wasim, will face Khizar. At the non-striker's end, in-form batsman Mohammad Harun, who's looking in good touch here. Wasim to face Khizar. A good block holder by Khizar. Totally beaten is Wasim. Good bowling by Khizar there. Out signal by the umpire there. Unnecessary run out at this stage of the game. Harun has to walk back. New batsman in the center is Afridi. A dot delivery again by Khizar there, putting some pressure on the new batsman Afridi there. Skipper Wasim having a chat with Afridi. 2 is the call by the batsman there, but Wasim is happy with the single there. Wasim back on strike, will face Khizar. Good bowling there by Khizar, back-to-back dot deliveries for the team's OE Lions. The skipper Wasim was struggling to score some runs. A swing and a miss again. The result is a dot delivery. Good bowling by Khizar. After the completion of over, the score moves on to 40 runs for the fall of 4 wickets. A swing and a miss by Afridi again. Mujahid to bowl to Afridi again. Straight down the ground. Single taken by Afridi there, brings back Wasim. The skipper on strike, will face Mujahid. Wasim to face Mujahid. Two runs completed by the batsman. The good run in between the wickets. Wasim back on strike. White signal by the umpire there. A swing and a miss again. Mujahid to Wasim again. A swing and a miss again by Wasim. Good bowling by Mujahid there, not conceding any runs. Two-run signal by the umpire there.
Over 46 score. Score 46.
After the completion of 8 overs, the score is 46 for 4
If you want to buy
wickets.
jewelry, you find hundreds of stores. But if we want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get
Request the skippers of DCC Ashes and Dublin 11 to come near the desk for the toss. Zoe Lyons has 2.
Target is sir 47.
Get 47 runs to win this contest.
find hundreds of stores. But if we want to sell our
Will Alphape defend the target of 40?
pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged